Hey, y'all. Come on in the room. It's Mamie's channel. Come on in the room. It's Mamie's channel. Just here to give you another update on Mamie's journey to monetization. Let you know where I am and how I got there, y'all. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Welcome in, y'all. Come on in. Today, I just want to share a little bit. Okay. So right now, I'm currently at, do you know? Am I going to share? Yes, I am. I just want to tell you why I started my channel and how I love doing it and why I am so happy. I'm happy to be here. I'm happy to share. I started my channel here just to be a help and a motivation to others. That's what I'm doing. That's what I'm enjoying doing. And letting you know, I mean, I have goals and I have things that I want to do, and I'm on my way, y'all. I am on my way, and I'm grateful and thankful for it. And like I said, I will keep you updated as I'm on my journey and what I'm doing. How much did Mamie make? Did I make any money in 2024 starting my channel, Mamie's channel? All right. First of all, like I said, I thank everyone who has subscribed. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much for your support. I hope I've moved and motivated you to either start your channel or to do something or to be positive, to be a help to someone else, or just gave you some kind of support any type of way. That is my goal. That's what I'm here for. I am here for it all. So I'm still on my journey. I'm still on my journey to monetization, just so you know. Not there yet. Almost, y'all. I'm at about 652 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And we are still growing and we are still at it. Um, so that is on my subscriber side. There is a many of ways that you can make money on YouTube. So you don't have to just worry about your subscribers. You can do different things. There's affiliations, there's promotions, um, there's other business avenues. Of course, y'all, I have with Mamie's channel, I do have my travel business. Now, of course, I'm not going to share with y'all how much I'm making on my business. I'm not going to give you that. But I will tell you it is a joy and I'm doing something I love to do. And one would be traveling. If y'all see my videos, they're coming out. And I am now for 2025, I will be opening up my YouTube channel. And it's Yes I Can Travel. It's for my agency, so it will have a total different site. Instead of just Mamie's channel, you'll see Yes I Can Travel. That is my YouTube channel. And please check that out. Hit that subscribe, like, and share on that. And give me some comments. Let's share because we're getting ready to go. 2025 is coming. We're motivated. We're inspired for the new avenue. I am living my best life. That is my goal. It is my happiness, my joy, and I want to share with you how you can do it too. Travel has been a passion of mine. I've liked to go. I've always been going and doing things, and it brings a smile to my face. And I just want to share with you and let you know, if you don't know, you can too. You can too. Come on along. If you're interested in getting into um, creating vacations and sharing and showing others how they can go and enjoy life, hey, check me out. My name is Mamie, and there is a channel, Yes I Can Travel. I will be putting that up. It's actually up, but it's going to be going active for 2025. Like I said, I got to have some goals. I got some things going on, and we're going to start promoting and doing more on that channel. That is another avenue for me, as which I use for a source of income. And YouTube is another. We're not there, but We're getting close, y'all. And I got to thank y'all for what y'all do, because here on this channel, as y'all see, I'm about motivation, inspiration, and as well as cooking. So I'm sharing my life with you guys and loving it. And just want to motivate you. If YouTube is what you want to do, come on. If it's not what you want to do, don't worry about it. You can still see me. Tune in to Mamie channel and get your joy on, okay? Because we can go. Ask me some questions. Um, I can take you along with me, because that's what I'm doing. But also, we got, like I said, we have Yes I Can Travel Agency is coming up for 2025. More travel, more activities, and more to come. So that is what I'm working on. My journey to monetization on this channel, Mamie's channel. We're still trucking away at it. We're getting closer and closer. Please continue to tune in, watch, share, comment, and see my lives. Just check me out. Hey, we're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep running forward. We're running and doing what I like to do. Hey, I'm 50 something, and it's time to live my best life and share it. That's what I'm doing, y'all. That's what I'm doing. That's what I want to do. That's what I love to do. So, hey, check it out. But we are not monetized yet on Mamie's channel, but we're close. I need your help to make me get there, though. Come on in and help me out. All right, you guys. Just want to give you a little update. I'm hoping that it would be lovely if I can make it there by the end of the year to my 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. But if not, we just gonna keep going. We don't give up. We don't give up, baby. We keep going. We keep it moving. We are going to win no matter what. Right? We gonna win no matter what. It don't matter what nobody say. We just gonna keep going and keep doing us. And y'all, 2024 has been awesome. It has been awesome. I have really enjoyed my YouTube channel, enjoyed what I'm doing, sharing, giving, loving, and just enjoying life. This is it. All right, y'all. Thank you so much for tuning in. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Be blessed.